In the diverse landscapes of the Americas, from dense tropical forests to arid deserts, roams a resilient creature, the Dicotyles Tajacu, better known as the collared peccary. These adaptable mammals have carved a niche for themselves in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. Join us as we explore the life of the collared peccary, delving into its evolutionary history, ecological significance, and the challenges it confronts. Deep in the forests and savannas of the Americas roams a remarkable animal that often goes unnoticed, the collared peccary, scientifically known as Dicotyles tajacu. This medium-sized mammal, with its pig-like appearance and distinctive white collar, plays a crucial role in the ecosystems it inhabits. From the deserts of the southwestern United States to the lush rainforests of South America, the collared peccary has adapted to a wide range of environments, showcasing its remarkable resilience and adaptability. Often mistaken for wild pigs, peccaries are a unique family of mammals with a fascinating evolutionary history. The collared peccary, in particular, has been a subject of interest for biologists, ecologists, and conservationists alike. Its wide distribution, complex social behavior, and ecological importance make it a key species in understanding the dynamics of American ecosystems. As we journey through the life of this remarkable animal, we'll also consider the challenges it faces in a changing world, including habitat loss, hunting pressure, and climate change. Understanding the collared peccary not only provides insights into a fascinating species but also illuminates broader themes of biodiversity, ecosystem health, and the intricate relationships between animals and their environments. Evolutionary history. The evolutionary journey of Dicotyles tajacu is a tale that spans millions of years, rooted in the ancient origins of the Suena suborder, which includes pigs, peccaries, and hippopotamuses. Peccaries diverged from their Old World pig relatives approximately 35 to 40 million years ago, during the late Eocene epoch. This split coincided with significant global cooling and drying trends, which likely influenced the evolution of these hardy, adaptable animals. The earliest known peccary fossils date back to the Oligocene epoch, about 30 million years ago, found in Europe and Asia. However, peccaries eventually became extinct in these regions, surviving only in the Americas. The ancestors of modern peccaries are believed to have crossed from Asia to North America via the Bering Land Bridge, which existed intermittently during periods of low sea levels. Once in North America, peccaries underwent significant diversification. The genus Dicotyles, to which the collared peccary belongs, is thought to have emerged around 5 to 7 million years ago during the late Miocene or early Pliocene. This timing coincides with the formation of the Isthmus of Panama, which allowed for the expansion of peccaries into South America during the Great American Interchange. Dicotyles tajacu itself is believed to have evolved more recently, probably within the last 2 to 3 million years. Its wide distribution across diverse habitats suggests a high degree of adaptability, likely driven by the climatic fluctuations of the Pleistocene epoch. During this time, alternating periods of glaciation and warming would have forced the species to adapt to changing environments and expand or contract its range accordingly. Interestingly, genetic studies have revealed significant population structure within collared peccary across its range, suggesting that isolated populations may be in the process of speciation. This ongoing evolution makes the collared peccary an intriguing subject for studies of mammalian adaptation and diversification. The evolutionary history of collared peccary is also reflected in its unique characteristics. Unlike true pigs, peccaries have complex stomachs that allow them to digest tough plant material more efficiently, an adaptation that likely evolved in response to the changing vegetation patterns of the Miocene and Pliocene epochs. Their distinctive scent glands, used for marking territory and identifying herd members, are another unique evolutionary feature that sets them apart from their Old World relatives. Morphological description. Dicotyles tajacu, the collared peccary, is a medium-sized mammal with a distinctive appearance that sets it apart from other similar-looking species. Adults typically measure 75 to 100 centimeters in length and stand about 40 to 60 centimeters tall at the shoulder. They weigh between 14 to 30 kilograms, with males generally being slightly larger than females. The most striking feature of collared peccary is the white band of fur that encircles its neck, giving rise to its common name, the collared peccary. This collar contrasts sharply with the animal's otherwise dark, grizzled coat, which ranges from grayish-black to brown. The fur is coarse and bristly, providing protection against thorny vegetation and potential predators. The peccary's body is compact and pig-like, with a large head relative to its body size. However, several key features distinguish it from true pigs. The snout is less elongated and more tapered than that of a pig, ending in a cartilaginous disc used for rooting and foraging. Their canine teeth are shorter and straighter than those of pigs, and they lack the curly tail characteristic of their Old World cousins. One of the most unique morphological features of Dicotyles tajacu is its feet. Like all peccaries, it has 4 toes on its front feet but only 3 on its hind feet, with the middle 2 toes being larger and bearing most of the animal's weight. This adaptation provides stability on various terrains, from rocky desert floors to muddy rainforest paths. The collared peccary's eyes are small and set high on its head, providing a wide field of vision that helps detect potential predators. Their ears are also small and upright, capable of independent movement to help localize sounds. A distinctive characteristic of all peccaries, including Dicotyles tajacu, is the presence of a dorsal scent gland located on their back, near the rump. This gland produces a strong, musky odor used for territorial marking and individual recognition within the herd. The scent is so potent that it has led to peccaries being nicknamed musk hogs in some regions. Internally, the collared peccary has several adaptations that suit its omnivorous diet and varied habitat. Its stomach is complex and compartmentalized, more similar to that of a ruminant than a pig. This allows for more efficient digestion of tough plant material, a crucial adaptation for survival in resource-poor environments. The dental formula of collared peccary reflects its omnivorous diet. The incisors and canines are well developed for rooting and tearing, while the molars are suited for grinding plant material. Ecology. Dicotyles tajacu plays a crucial role in the ecosystems it inhabits, functioning as both a consumer and a prey species, and significantly influencing plant communities through its foraging and seed dispersal activities. As omnivores, collared peccaries have a diverse diet that includes fruits, nuts, roots, tubers, invertebrates, and small vertebrates. This dietary flexibility allows them to adapt to a wide range of habitats and contributes to their broad geographic distribution. In many ecosystems, particularly in tropical forests, Dicotyles tajacu serves as an important seed disperser. As they forage, peccaries consume fruits and move seeds away from parent plants, aiding in the regeneration and maintenance of plant diversity. The rooting behavior of collared peccaries also has significant ecological impacts. As they search for underground food sources, peccaries disturb the soil, which can alter soil structure, nutrient cycling, and plant community composition. In some cases, this disturbance can create microhabitats that benefit other species. Collared peccaries are prey for various predators, including jaguars, pumas, coyotes, and large birds of prey. Their presence in an ecosystem supports these predator populations, contributing to the overall biodiversity and ecological balance. In terms of habitat, collared peccary is remarkably adaptable, occurring in a wide range of environments from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. This adaptability is partly due to their ability to obtain water not only from drinking but also from the foods they consume, allowing them to survive in water-scarce environments. The species also plays a role in disease ecology. Peccaries can serve as hosts for various parasites and pathogens, some of which can affect domestic livestock or humans. Understanding these disease dynamics is crucial for both wildlife management and public health. Climate change is increasingly affecting the ecology of Dicotyles tajacu. Shifts in temperature and precipitation patterns are altering habitat suitability and food availability, potentially leading to changes in peccary distribution and behavior. These changes could have cascading effects on the ecosystems where peccaries play key roles. Habitat and behavior. Dicotyles tajacu inhabits a remarkably diverse range of habitats, from the arid deserts of the southwestern United States to the tropical rainforests of South America. This adaptability is a testament to the species' resilience and behavioral flexibility. In forested habitats, collared peccaries prefer areas with dense understory vegetation that provides both food and cover. They create a network of trails through their home range, which typically covers 60 to 200 hectares, depending on resource availability. In more arid environments, they often concentrate their activities around water sources and areas with succulent vegetation. One of the most distinctive behavioral traits of Dicotyles tajacu is its highly social nature. Collared peccaries live in herds, typically consisting of 6 to 30 individuals, though larger groups have been observed in some areas. These herds are not just loose associations but tight-knit social units with complex hierarchies and strong bonds between members. Herd cohesion is maintained through various behaviors, including mutual grooming, rubbing their scent glands against each other, and vocalizations. The characteristic chomp or tooth-clicking sound made by agitated peccaries serves as a warning to potential threats and helps coordinate group movements. Within the herd, there is usually a dominant male and female, but leadership can be shared, and decision-making often appears to be a group process. This social structure is crucial for defense against predators, with the herd forming a tight circle, facing outwards with their sharp canines ready, when threatened. Collared peccaries are primarily diurnal but can be active at night in areas with high daytime temperatures or significant human disturbance. Their daily activities typically include foraging, resting, and wallowing. Wallowing in mud or water serves multiple purposes, including thermoregulation and parasite control. Reproduction in collared peccary is not seasonally restricted, though birth peaks may occur in some parts of their range. Females typically give birth to 2 young after a gestation period of about 145 days. The young are precocial, able to follow the herd within hours of birth. This rapid development is crucial for survival in environments with high predation pressure. One of the most interesting aspects of collared peccary behavior is their use of latrine sites. Herds consistently use specific areas for defecation, which may serve territorial marking purposes and potentially reduce parasite transmission within the group. Collared peccaries exhibit remarkable adaptability in their feeding behavior. In desert environments, they may shift their activity patterns to take advantage of cooler nighttime temperatures and rely heavily on cacti and other succulents for both food and water. In tropical forests, they adjust their foraging strategies seasonally, focusing on different food sources as they become available. Human activities significantly influence peccary behavior. In areas with high hunting pressure, Dicotyles Tajacu may become more nocturnal and wary. Conversely, in protected areas or urban fringes, they can become habituated to human presence, sometimes leading to conflicts. Conclusion. Dicotyles Tajacu, the collared peccary, emerges from our exploration as a remarkable example of evolutionary success and ecological significance. From its ancient origins to its current wide distribution across diverse habitats, this species showcases the power of adaptation and resilience in the face of changing environments. The collared peccary's unique morphology, complex social behavior, and ecological plasticity make it a fascinating subject for scientific study. Its role in seed dispersal, soil disturbance, and as a prey species underscores its importance in maintaining the health and biodiversity of various ecosystems across the Americas. As we face global challenges such as climate change, habitat loss, and biodiversity decline, species like Dicotyles tajacu provide valuable insights into how animals adapt to changing conditions. The peccary's ability to thrive in environments ranging from arid deserts to lush rainforests offers lessons in resilience that could inform conservation strategies for other species. However, despite its adaptability, the collared peccary faces numerous threats. Habitat fragmentation, hunting pressure, and conflicts with human activities pose significant challenges to peccary populations in many parts of their range. Conservation efforts must balance the needs of this species with those of human communities, recognizing the ecological and cultural importance of Dicotyles tajacu. Looking to the future, continued research on collared peccaries will be crucial for understanding their role in changing ecosystems and for developing effective conservation strategies. This research may also yield insights into broader ecological principles and the impacts of global environmental change on mammalian species. In conclusion, Dicotyles tajacu stands as a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on our planet. By studying and protecting this species, we not only ensure the survival of a unique and important animal but also contribute to the preservation of the complex ecological networks that sustain life across the Americas. The story of the collared peccary reminds us of the intricate connections between species and their environments, and the importance of maintaining these relationships for the health of our planet's ecosystems.